Well, it wasn't windy and I've just picked up the camera, it's now windy. I've done a few bits off camera, took the remainder of the seat belts out here, and I've also put the OEM seat in the Golf so the Golf can move around because it's currently blocking this car in. Next up, I want to put the front end back on the car, and I've got a couple of goodies to put on the front end. It's nothing exciting, just some parts come in, and then there's the rear brakes to sort, and the stud conversion, and then we're sort of good to go. So yeah, first up, put the front end on, connect it all up, and then a few goodies at the front, and job's a good one. Right, I'll go get my new goodies, fit them because they belong on the front end too. So new parts I've got, here's the new seal because this one's not up to much, so genuine part too, look. Second bit, this bit, it's this switch just here. This one's not up to much, so put a new one in. Get you out. You know, it wasn't even windy when I started. Hope this fits. Right, nice and easy, front end all built back up. Now it's on to, I'll do the wheel studs next, it's a nice easy job. I've already done one side when I did the brakes, that were off camera, so I've just got another side to do. So yeah, go get my parts and install them. Right, got these off the old interwebs. Just a stud for a Clio and a nut. Learnt my lesson after Nürburgring to you know, uprate these bits. So do this side and then move on to the backs. Need to unbolt it, take the pads out and put the new ones in. Hopefully it's a relatively easy job, so let's see how we get on. Film what a horrible job that was, but they're all in now. I've got a white brush, some Amorite, give them a lick of paint so it just looks all nice. So yeah, it's an easy job now. Studs in and a bit of thread lock. Right, one side done, let's hope the other side is a little easier. Right, that's the brakes done. Oh dear, I've got mud on me. Take it off at stands, tidy up. I'll pull it outside and see how she looks with the new seats in. So, got there. So yeah, take it off stand and we'll have a look. Pulled it out. It's looking good. So yeah, all ready for the track. There might be one or two minor bits, but other than that it is done. So, hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers guys.